In this video, I'm going to explain whether you can use Afterpay to get money and what options you have if you need cash. Let's clear up how Afterpay works and what it can and can't do. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service designed to help you split purchases into 4 interest-free payments. It's not a service that lets you withdraw or get money directly, like a bank or cash advance. You cannot use Afterpay to get cash or transfer money to your bank account. It's only meant to help pay for products or services at participating stores. If you're looking for ways to access money, consider alternatives like personal loans, cash advance apps, or selling items online. However, if you're a merchant, Afterpay can help increase sales by offering customers flexible payment options, but it doesn't give you money up front as a customer. Always be careful not to misuse services like Afterpay to try and get cash, as that goes against their terms and can cause account issues. I hope this clears up how Afterpay works. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy explanations. Thanks for watching.